What's up, everybody, and welcome back to SM Software. 5 app ideas for developers. Discover how to create profitable apps that can generate over 10,000 US dollars a month with the innovative solutions designed for real world problems. First of all, if you are new here, my name is Shabani Muswamba. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. So these ideas, you can start building your app at any time, start your business at any time. All right, number one, client portal, software as a service, enhanced communication. So this app idea focus on streamlining client communication and project management for freelancers and agencies. So you can create this type of project using stuff like React, Node.js, MongoDB, even Next.js. Next.js is out there, is a very, very powerful React framework. So go ahead and try this one. Let's go to number two. Number two, connecting employers with the specialized talent. So a niche job board or micro marketplace. So this are kind of platform where candidates or employers can find a job or search for job, and employers can also post their job to fund any talented candidate. So this type of application you can even start with WordPress. You start with the WordPress. We also got Laravel is out there, is very powerful. A PHP framework is very powerful. So you can create this using PHP and MySQL, or you can use Laravel or Next.js. Let's go to number three. So number three, AI powered resume builder. Effortless crafting. So create a platform where candidate users can and generate a resume, generate their resume. So with this, you can use Python, you can use Django, you can use Angular, VJS, even Next.js, even Mainstack, MongoDB, React, Express, and Node. So you with this one, you can still make money. So by allowing users to access some features and restrict some features for them, asking them to the upgrade, so that um, you can make money. You can upgrade to enjoy some features, and also you can add some ads, add money through ads in there. Let's take number four. Streamlining inventory and booking. Create a platform where small business can actually use your platform to manage their business, to manage stuff like invoice, sending invoice, sending invoice, emails, communication, all of these things. So with this one, you can still monetize your business, monetize some hmm, monetize income through subscription model, or you can also integrate some ads in there. Lastly, managing your shared finances. So this is what you call that personal finance tracker. So a platform or a software can help users to track their, to manage and track their expenses. So this type of application is also very easy to create. You can create the whole system using even Flutter. So you can create this using Flutter and Firebase. You can even start with this like free, even free host. You can have this free host like full stack. So there's a video which I post about where you can post your website for free, even full stack. application hosted for free. So this is a type of application you can start, help you start up and start making money. So you can also make money through purchase. People can purchase some features. You can put some features and also integrate ads. All right. So in conclusion, we got within those five. So we got like three of them you can actually choose. So we got this client portal, software as a service. We got niche job board and the AI powered resume builder. So let's take problem and solution, measurable outcome and time frame. Well, let's start, for example, with this one, client portal, software as a service. So freelancers struggle with client management. So the solution for this one this could be app centralizes communication and files. So your platform can manage the communication and manage files. So you can have so much features. Not only these two can have so much features. Measurable outcome, increased client satisfaction, and the retention for freelancers using the portal. Time frame, so you can take 3 to 6 months to develop and launch this type of platform. We also got niche job board, where job seekers need targeted opportunities. So this platform connects them with the niche employer. So higher job placement rates for a candidate using the job board. So for this type of application, if you are using stuff like Laravel or Next.js or just use Menstack, another framework like Flutter, because Flutter also gives you that chance to build a single code base. You can build mobile app, window apps, up to even a browser or website. So that means you can take 4 to 8 months to complete this type of platform. The last one is the AI powered resume builder. So this one also can help. This one also help users. There is users who want to candidates who want to generate AI, want to generate resume using AI. So you can come with that solution that help users, help candidate can come and generate their resume. Okay, so this one you can also take 2 to 4 months, so using the same system, using the same platforms. Using the same platform, the same technology. You can use Next.js, you can use Laravel, you can use a combination of MongoDB, React, Express, and Node to complete this type of application. Yes. All right, so this was the 5 apps idea. Can help you start up your own business as a developer. So we also got much videos about different platforms. We create a project about different platforms. You can join our membership. Join our membership to request any of this idea or any of this project. So I will go ahead and create any of this project so that you can follow along and start your own business as a developer. All right, my name is Shaban Muswamba. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also like the video and share. Thank you.